Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites. You need an 8 GB or larger USB, Windows 10 ISO, admin rights, and a UEFI-capable PC. Plug the USB into a working machine and back up any data because this drive will be erased. Open Rufus or the Media Creation tool now. These utilities write files and set UEFI boot parameters automatically. Once done, make sure Secure Boot Status and Partition Scheme choices match the target PC so the created drive will boot properly. You select the Windows 10 ISO and the USB drive in Rufus or Run Media Creation tool to create installation media. Choose GPT Partition Scheme for UEFI and FAT32 file system to ensure secure boot compatibility. Pick NTFS only when file size limits force it, and be aware that may need additional steps. Click Start, accept prompts, and choose ISO mode unless the tool recommends DD mode for raw image write. While writing, don't remove the USB. The tool copies files and sets the EFI bootloader for UEFI systems. You unplug the USB and insert it into the target PC, then enter UEFI settings by pressing the vendor key. Make sure UEFI mode is enabled, disable Legacy CSM, and set the USB drive as first boot device. Save and restart to begin Windows setup. If the system doesn't boot, return to firmware and verify GPT and FAT32 were used, toggle Secure Boot. Try another USB port, prefer a rear USB 2.0 port, and recreate the media if necessary to fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.